So I'm gonna show you some very nice presentation with slides and not very heavy, just for my own testimonials, pictures and something like that, very light. So this is our picture. He is my husband, Mr. Ghani. Picture in Switzerland. So I put this picture in my slide not to show you my picture or my face to you. I just put my picture in to show you that my husband joined DXN 8 years before. When he was in DXN, he told me after few months to please do DXN, and this is very good MLM and network marketing and direct selling, and the product is very good. And I live in Canada. We don't believe on these kind of things, right? There's no herbal or something, these kind of things. So I said, no, I'm not gonna. So when I saw toothpaste, soap, black toothpaste, black black soap, so I have 4 boys. So we both all together one side and my husband alone one side. And he said, please, please try. I said, no way. This is black toothpaste, black soap. I'm not gonna. So of course I'm negative. So my children are also making fun of their father, that what he is bringing from Middle East, from Dubai. So I don't allow him to bring these things. So in our bathroom there's 2 toothpaste, one my and one is his Ganosi. We are not going to touch. So this is what he is trying to promote, his product first to me or to children to go expand. So but we are not willing to accept him with these things. So slowly he tries, but he failed. Then he go back. I'm the most negative person in my husband life to don't do this, please, because my husband is teaching fighter pilots, F-16 pilots in Middle East. So I said, you have, he said, there's so much money. I said, no, we don't need money. You have good job. You are, you know, people respect you, and you are teaching pilot, and now you are selling toothpaste because in the TV, you know, in India, Zee TV or Indian TV, they, you know, somebody give a bell door and they said, please, which toothpaste you are using, please try this. So I said, you are doing this to leave your good job. So I said, no, please. So he is very disappointed, come back to Dubai. So he is visiting to us once in a year when the pilots goes to their home, and he have vacation for 1 month. So next year he is doing DXN. So then again he come to Canada, and he said, so when he came to Canada, he spent 1 month with us. We went for vacation or holiday, but he said, no, this time I'm not gonna go somewhere, because there's one lady come from Philippines to Canada and she's earning $10,000 per month. So I want to see her and sit with her, how she is getting 10,000. So morning, have breakfast and run to that lady and sit with her all day. And I'm calling, please, Mr. Ghani, come at home, please. Yes. And evening he come back. So he did this 2 weeks. He's going, come back, go, come. I said, who is this lady? He said, oh, she's working in DXN, earning $10,000. I said, $10,000 from selling toothpaste, this black toothpaste and so. I said, no, I don't believe. He said, yes, I'm telling you. In between, there's one mail comes. DXN mail come, which is check. Mr. Ghani check was that in that envelope. So I opened the envelope, and there's a Mr. Ghani check from DXN, $9. So I said, please, Mr. Ghani, stay at home. I'm gonna give you $100, please. Don't go to that lady. This is not true. Your check is $9. I don't believe she's getting 10,000. He said, no, believe me. I said, no, please take $100. Stay at home and spend vacation with us. So this is the journey when he started. After 4 years, I was very sick. I have problem in my uterus and there's a cyst and very sick. So the surgery done in Canada, which is they remove everything, my ovaries and uterus, everything they remove because there's a cyst on ovaries and uterus. So nothing, everything they take it out. So then I was very sick and the surgery was not successful. My wound open and they sent me at home and I lied down for 3 months on the bed and the nurse come to my house and she put gauze inside in my wound. They are trying to close the wound, but the wound didn't close. So after 3 months they sent me again for surgery to for the cosmetic surgeon and he did it again surgery after 3 months. So I was very sick and weak. 3 months I lie down on bed. I can walk. I don't feel anything life in my legs. So he came and he bring Rishi and spirulina and he said, please try this. You are not believing, but try this. You take your medicine, which is doctor give me very heavy dose antibiotic because they don't want infection in my wound. So I was in this situation. I said, okay, I can try whatever he is going to give me. I said, okay, I try. After 4 years he is doing DXN, but I was negative. So then I start Rishi and spirulina, which is then after 2 weeks I feel little bit better and little bit energy in my body, and I wake up, come out from the bed, walk to kitchen, make 1 cup of tea of myself, and then I said, oh, Mr. Ghani is telling me something. This is something is good to it give me benefit and help me. So that is the day when I started DXN with my husband, and this is the picture. Now I'm enjoying all over. I'm going all over the world. Now we are going to Philippines. Philippines is my 28th country from DXN, which is I'm with. So this is what the story is about behind this picture. That's why now I'm enjoying with my husband, go to the different country doing DXN. I'm really because the benefit which I got from DXN product, now I'm starting also from last 4 years I'm with Mr. Ghani all the time. So this is many faces of women. She's in the village, or she's old, or she's a mother, or somebody is pregnant. So there's so many faces in women faces. Think about it, if women are not in the world, so what will be happen? Only men are there. We are the life in the world. So we have so many faces. All women, we are daughter. I was also daughter, and women is daughter, women is sisters, they are sisters, and housewife. I'm doing same thing, cleaning, ironing, because in Canada we don't have maid or no servant, so everything I'm doing. So this, when I saw this picture, I remember myself in Canada. I'm doing the same thing, laundry, cleaning, everything we are doing in our house to do things and work for our children and husband and family. So women is a mother, and she is a mother-in-law also. I am a mother-in-law also. I have 2 daughter-in-law. My one daughter-in-law, she is a Chinese Muslim, but I am not this kind of mother-in-law. Yeah, women's, they are aunties, and finally grandma. So this is the whole journey from daughter, from childhood to grandma. This is a big role in our family, in our with our children and with our husband. So how can women benefit from DXN? This is I'm going to tell you. Number one is health. Health is very important. DXN product provide natural prevention and protection to women. So this is very important. If we are not healthy, today I didn't see so many women in this presentation, which is not good. Please, gentlemen, bring your wife, sister, daughters next time. And I want us next time when I'll come, I want to see half at least women and half men. So today is very less women, which is not good. You know, women are the most successful people in this MLM business. 70% in our business, 70% are ladies working in direct selling and MLM. Because you know, I told you I was negative person. If your wife is not allow you to bring toothpaste or soap or tea or product from DXN, then you will not successful in this business. You have to bring and motivate your family and wives. So we need health, of course. Number one is health. Health is very important. If we are sick, we are running the entire house. If we are sick or lie down, because I was lie down 3 months on the bed, so I saw my children cater food from outside, and the house is mess, and everybody is watching me when mom is come out from the bed and from this disease or sickness. So very important for the woman to become healthy, to run the house and take care of their children and husband. If God forbid she falls sick, the entire house disturbed. Of course, when she lie down or something, nobody is going to cook, nobody is going to clean, nobody is take care of for the house. So what are some of the main concern of women? This is a big question. Women have lots of, nowadays cancer is very common. Every third women have cancer, and breast cancer is a very, very common in North America and in Asia also. I saw in my country, in Pakistan, there's so many people, ladies are having cancer, different kind of cancer, but breast cancer is very common. So one of the disease is cancer for ladies especially. And the other major disease, sickness is iron deficiency, which is, I told you, I was very sick because of that problem. So with that problem, my hemoglobin was very low. And I was taking iron injection every month. Doctor told me that your iron, can you believe my hemoglobin, normal person have 12%, and my was 4. So I fell down twice, thrice from the stairs. I can't drive, and dizziness. I want to sleep all the time, because when I get injection after 1 week, again same symptoms I handle with those problems. So when I start spirulina, which is give me, my iron was boost after when Mr. Ghani gave it to me. After 1 month, my iron, when I go to doctor, she do my blood test, and she said, you are eating something, how come your iron is so high, hemoglobin? I said, I am taking spirulina. She said, what is this spirulina? So I said, this is the spirulina, can you please go to the website and you can check. So iron deficiency for women is the big major problem from 12 years old till menopause, when you are 50. Women and migraine is very common. Men's, they don't have migraine a lot, but women's are a lot, because she takes so many things from the home, children, study, this, that, and the most husband gives so much problem to their wife. So So women can get migraine very easily, because he came from the office, he said, what is this? This is food. I need fresh roti, chapati, fresh rice. What is this? My shirt is dirty. Every kind of problem most husband gives. So migraine is very common in ladies. There's how good health can be maintained. Maintenance of our body is very important. These all problems which I showed you, cancer, migraine, or everything, or definition of the iron. So for that is the best is our product, DXN product, Rishi, and so many product we have, Spirulina, Rishi, Morenzi, Cordipine. Malaysia have a lot of product. So you can take care of your health, especially for men also, but ladies it's especially very, very good to maintain their health from DXN product. So every woman wants to become young and beautiful. Of course, if she is 60 years old or she is 16 years old, this is Angelina Jolie and the famous Miss World Aishwarya Roy. What is in her? She is beautiful, she is slim, smart. So everybody wants the same thing. Every lady wants their dream to become beautiful and slim. To become slim and trim and not look like this. In Malaysia, I didn't see so much fat people, ladies, but in America or even in Middle East, I live in Dubai also, they wearing hijab. So in the hijab, they cover their body, but ladies are so fat, you cannot believe. They are inside in the hijab because eating lots of things and food. These are beautiful ladies but fat. If they are slim, they are more beautiful. So what most women do to keep themselves beautiful? Of course, to take care of our face, doing facial and take care of the health. Women and anti-aging. So the woman is young or aged. She is 64 years old. Can you believe the lady? She is 64 years old. She is taking care of her health a lot. She write one book also. I'm gonna show it to you in next slide. So everybody ladies or men, they don't want to become, or especially ladies, they don't want to become aged or sick. So how can DXN help them? To give them our cosmetic product. There's a aloe vera cosmetic product, and there's a Ganozi cosmetic product. So these facial cosmetic product is very, very good. In our Dubai and India, they are promoting so much, and you can get so big PV from them, because in Gano's facial product is for 250 dirham, and you can get more point and more benefit from our. So promote this facial, because nowadays ladies are very conscious to take care of their health and face and skin especially. So you can promote these, and these are a very, very good product which we have in DXN. In India, this is like crazy. People are using this in Middle East and India. People are going, ladies are doing facial with the cosmetic and aloe vera. What are the main causes of the above problems? This is also big question mark. What is the main causes of the problem which I shows you? No exercise. We don't do exercise. In West, I'm seeing people, lots of ladies, they are going to gym. We are working at home all the time, cleaning, cooking, this, that, all day. And then we said, okay, I do exercise enough now, time to watching TV and lie down and having DXN tea or coffee. No, you have to, that exercise is different. But to go to gym exercise is different. You should go to do exercise. If you don't go to gym, you can run outside. Your weather is in Malaysia is very good. You can go run and do exercise outside, or running, or just do yoga or breathing, or yoga or meditation. Eating all kinds of junk, fast, oily, spicy and fatty food. So why North America and Dubai, Middle East people, ladies are fat? Because they are eating so much junk food, they are eating chocolate, they are drinking Pepsi, Cola, 7-Up, which is very, very bad for our health. So what happened? I serve 3 meals in West, husband, wife both working. So what happened when the lady, she came at home, husband come the same time, and she said, okay, who is going to cook? Nobody. So she get frozen food from refrigerator, then she put it in the microwave. Microwave is not very good all the time. They are using microwave. And take out, just order pizza, order McDonald's, Kentucky fried chicken, and eat and lie down at night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, because their life is so busy. They come from the job, and these three things are very common in West. So not consuming enough water. We have to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Doctor told us to maintain your health, maintain your skin. Your skin will be glow, and your health will be more better than if you drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Big question: how to reduce weight? How to reduce weight? To do some fitness or exercise or yoga, which I just told you. Otherwise you will be like that. And these 2 ladies, she is sitting on the chair. We take photo from maybe Disneyland or where we went, and the lady was sitting there, and Mr. Ghani took photo. This is and these are very common. These ladies are obese. This is disease, obesity. This is not fatness, because eating this much big glasses of Coca-Cola, 7-Up, chips, McDonald's, fast food, which is end of the day the result is this. So my advice is to eat less, eat intelligently, more fruit and vegetable. You guys have so much nice fruit and vegetable, which I saw. There's most of the country when I went, I didn't see this much fruit and vegetable which you have. So consume more and more fruit and vegetable. The lady which I was talking before, 67 years old lady, she wrote this book, You Are What You Eat. You should go and buy this book. Very simple book, very easy, one line in one page, and from the photo she shows you what to eat, how to eat, which kind of vegetable is good for you, which kind of fruit good for you, how many fruit or vegetable you should take, what if you have something problem in your body, cholesterol or something. So she tell in this book to which kind of vegetable or fruit or food you can take. This is very good book. You should go and buy and read for more information. Eating healthy, of course, fish is very good, better than the meat. Don't fry it, just grill it, and put lots of vegetable inside. Fish is very good for the health. And of course our spirulina, which is control your weight, and boost your immune system, and if you are anemic, this gives you more iron and more strength and energy. Most of the ladies, we have so much problem with our legs. We cannot, especially knees or legs, we cannot move, and pain in our stomach. So spirulina is the best food supplement which you take it with your food. Myco-Veggie is another very beautiful food in our DXN, which is high fiber dietary food supplement. This is a complete food. If you wanna skip lunch, and you can take it with not take lunch, only take Myco-Veggie and then go to for dinner. So this will help you a lot. What we did, Mr. Ghani and myself, we don't take lunch. Here we are on vacation, so every time we are in restaurant for breakfast, lunch, dinner, but at home we put this in a yogurt, a fruit yogurt or plain yogurt. Put 2-3 tablespoons in the yogurt, and you can eat it in lunch time, and then later you can take dinner. So what happened, the all in nutrients and everything you can get it from Myco-Veggie. So every woman have dreams, and this can be fulfilled only by extra and income. Every woman have dreams. I have dreams too. We want our children to go to university, become doctor, engineer, or nice house, or drive a good Lexus car, BMW car. Everybody have dreams. So can you do it, buy these things, or can you make your dream true? If you don't have money, you cannot. So you need extra money. So especially for ladies, for women, please do DXN seriously and get some income, extra pocket money. You don't need to ask your husband then. You get, my husband get international check from all over the world. We have people in every country, almost maybe more than 20 countries, or maybe more than 20 countries. So my husband, I made deal with him. I said, I need my pocket money. I'm not gonna ask you to give me, please. So he gave his international check, which is coming from DXN. Those check, I'm going to take it from him. Which is enough money for my pocket money to go to buy anything, whatever I wanted, because those money is enough for my pocket money. So I said, okay, you can take those. He said, oh, you remember you were very negative? I said, yes, those time gone. So this is, you need separate income, extra income, only for yourself, to spend for yourself, to go to parlor, gym, wear nice clothes, buy whatever you want to do. So no need to ask your husband. So please, ladies, do take seriously to get some extra income from DXN. DXN have lots of money. They have lots of money. We don't know how to take those money from DXN. We need to learn, and we need to take out the money from DXN. So number 2, what are some of the dreams of women? Women have so many dreams, which is I'm going to show you a few. Good education, which was my dream also, to get my children good education. But for those, we need money. In West, you need maybe $40,000 per year for 1 year, for one child. So we need, every woman wants to their children to go to outside abroad, study in the foreign university. So one dream is good. This is my dream was, so I put these slide inside, what I wanted to. So good education is one, and there's a get married to the right man. And this slide is for my son, not for my husband or for myself. You know, in in Islam, men can marry 4 times. Yeah, he knows, but I'm not gonna allow him to marry another. So this slide is for my children. Every women want to their children to get married with the right man or right woman, to have children in their life. Dream house. Everybody wants to their dream house, whatever the house is, small or big, whatever it is, but every lady wants their own house. So of course shopping everywhere. When you go to, like I went to 28 countries, so I want a shopping in those countries. I see something, so I said, okay, Mr. Ghani, so I don't need to ask. I convert my international check in a US dollar and I bring my money with purse and I can shop whatever I want to shop. So this is every lady wants. So this is another dream, to go to buy shop shoe or purses. You know, now everybody knows that the brand name, everybody knows now, every lady knows brand names, purses and shoes. Everybody wants to buy it, but for those you need money. For a Gucci purse, this the small purse which is there is for $10,000. So of course everybody, we can buy when we have our own money within our pocket. So next big question, how to fulfill these dreams from DXN through extra income from home. So the ladies are listening to me and maybe they are thinking, how come we are getting this much money from DXN to sit at home? Yes, you can do. I'm not working. I'm not going to outside for the job or going to the office. No, I'm sitting at home and helping my husband because I'm not alone. First, my husband started this work. So he was teaching pilots, I told you, and from 2 years he left his job. He told me that when he is going to beat his salary, he is going to leave his job. So I said, okay. I said, let's see. I thought that let's see, I don't know. So he worked so hard for 4 years to beat his salary, to go up to his salary. So then he told me, he phoned me in Canada and he said, you remember I told you when I beat my salary, you said, okay, you leave your job. So I'm going to leave. I said, no, please, 2 years more. You work 2 years more, because I was afraid to do DXN. I said, maybe, I don't know what happened. This is his profession, his job, and he have a very good package, very good salary, everything, government job. So I said, no, please stay 2 years more. So when 2 years before, when he go more up and up from his salary, then he said, I'm gonna leave. Now I need freedom to go to other countries and doing DXN. So I said, okay. And then he quit his job and now full time in DXN. So we can do also, he is sitting at home. Now he have free time. Myself also, whatever we want to go, we can go. Whatever we want to do, we can do. He wants to sleep, he can sleep. There's no office, no boss, no job. So you can sit at home, and just he told you in his presentation to learn computer. So you can sit and do, ladies are very talkative people. Like I am a lady too. We are talk so much. You know, when my friend called me, I talk hours. He said, can you please close the phone? I want to talk to my member or something. So we are talking so much about movie, about Shah Rukh Khan, about TV, about clothes, about friends. That friend doing that, the lady, she did this. So forget those talking. Just talk DXN. Just talk DXN. Only DXN. Call those friends who whatever. I also doing the same thing, to call my friend and say, let's go to a USA. There's a sale is going on, this, that. Let's go to cross the border. Now I don't want to talk those. Now I talk only DXN. I talk to my friends, my neighbor, my family, and believe me, those my children who are very negative like me, to see those black toothpaste and the soap. So when I entered DXN with Mr. Ghani, so I remove all the product from my house, from my kitchen, tea, coffee, everything, and I put all the product, DXN product in my house. Of course, to maintain my 300 PV also. So I bought. So my children said, what happened, mom, to you? You are not allowing this product at home, and now what is this nonsense? So the youngest one, he said, mom, there's no smell in this soap. Can you bring a Lux or something else? I said, no, you are going to use only DXN product. So they are shouting, crying first, but now they are so used to. So when I go or sometime I bring something, or by mistake something is there, they are not going to use, because they are so used to with DXN, because of the benefit. They get health, they feel good, their skin is good, and they get benefit from DXN product. So now all my children are also started DXN, and I turned them out from their other product to our DXN product. That's why I told you to bring your wife, sister, daughter, or ladies. Those are the people who are going to do shopping and going to outside to bring grocery. So the ladies are the one who is going to change your all product and everything in the kitchen and in the washroom. So this is the extra income from home you can do. Okay, now I think I'm gonna give it to Mr. Ghani.
First of all, you saw how she changed. Yes. She changed because she became a product of the product. When I gave her the toothpaste, I was new at first, and she was using whatever the product that she was using, and she didn't like the color first of all, and whatever. So when she became sick, as she said, and she was really very bad, I said, now you don't have any choice, you're lying down. And you're taking all the medicine. So you take this also along with the medicine. And alhamdulillah, she was supposed to recover maybe after 3-4 months. She recovered much earlier. So that was one point I want to mention. The other point is my income literally doubled when she joined me. I was struggling, I was all alone. So this is a message for all the men. If you don't get your women with you, it will be difficult for you to go to that level where you want to soon. It is not possible. So please try to, like my wife said, try to have most of the women folk involved. That includes your wife, your daughter, your mother, your sister, everybody. So it is extremely important because women have power, let me tell you that. You know it or you don't know? You don't know? Women have got a lot of... the grocery, we don't do the groceries, let me tell you. The grocery is being done by women. So whatever she likes, she buys it, and whatever she doesn't like, she doesn't buy. And whatever is in the kitchen, you have to eat or drink. So you don't have any choice. That is the reason why I'm talking about the women power. So that is all that I just... last night, we went quickly, and then she wanted to change some of the stuff. So we did work for about 2-3 hours, and then I went to sleep. So I got up, in the morning around 4:30, 5 o'clock, just like that. And she was still up. I said, well, what happened? He said, I can't go to sleep because tomorrow I have to do the presentation. I said...
I'm not used to, I'm doing in not very frequently, like Mr. Ghani is expert, of course. So he's 8 years old and I'm 3 years old.
Her age is not 3 years, okay. I want to correct that first. She does 1-to-1. She does a lot of home parties, you will see it. But such big gatherings, she hardly does anything. So,
I go to prospect people
Yeah.
and give it to Mr. Gandhi.
she is good in prospecting for sure. This much I know. Sometime I fail with my relatives and she is very successful. You know why and how? Because I talk. She doesn't talk, she serves. There's a nephew of mine, he's again another negative guy. Negative guys a lot, you know that. 80% of the world, they have got negative people. So he was saying no, 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 no. And then she said, okay. She didn't say anything about DXN. She brought a very chilled Roselle syrup for him. And he drank it, as I said yesterday. And then he ordered for another one. Which means he liked it so much. We had one extra bottle and we gave it as a gift. Which means now he's coming closer to the DXN slowly and steadily. So it is very important that you just, whenever anybody comes to the house, you keep on giving the product. All right, now I'll come to the 4 basic steps to get the extra income. Change your regular supermarket products to DXN. That is simple. Retail the products. You can sell the product. Some people are good, like salesmen and marketing people. They're very good. They can sell for maybe 10,000, 5,000, maybe 1,000 ringgit very easily. Make consumers. And consumers are those people who are having their problem, health problem. Like I'm sure Miss Jane must be having a lot of consumers. When she's talking to people, they're having diabetic or they're having this problem or that problem or gynae problem. So they become loyal consumers. And make consumers, of course, slowly they become members. So that is. So what is the secret to earning this extra income is through education. And I told you that we have got so many books, CDs, DVDs. These are the websites that we were talking about, personal coaching. This man, first class MLM. How many people are member of this first class MLM? Please raise your hand. We've got only one person. Who is this guy? First class MLM guy. His name is Tim Sales. And he calls himself now a retired millionaire from network marketing industry. He was in a nutritional business. So he knows exactly how to handle objections and all that. So these are all different types of so now I'll just give it to my wife again.
See, sharing and word of mouth reference, so especially ladies. So you can invite your friend. I invite my friends, the same friends which I was talking, other different kind of talks. So now I invite them and give them a tea and coffee, our DXN coffee and tea, and we talk about I tell them the benefit about DXN. So, by educating and making women, we are of income from home. So the women who are getting money from income from their home, you can go to the education is not necessarily to go to the school or colleges. You can go to the village. These are very simple ladies in somewhere, maybe in India, and the lady, she went and she is educating them. What? Only the product and the business which they don't know because they are not educated ladies. But the basic, at least she can tell them that what we are going to, how to start. So you can do this too. In Malaysia, there's more population is educated. Maybe not that much. In India, this picture is from India. The lady, she went village to village and educate, tell them about direct selling or MLM, or take care of their health, even taking only spirulina, or she's maybe selling spirulina or some reishi for their health and get some benefit from their DXN. So this is you. Of course, I am not gonna go to the business part because Mr. Ghani told you, and Mr. Ligikau is expert. He is telling you. Yesterday I saw on the board very basic and nice business explaining to you. But this is you, and you can talk to your friends, which every lady have friends. Of course, when you take out your cell phone, in my cell phone there is maybe more than 300 ladies friends numbers, so you can call them, talk to them, tell your neighbors. When we are free, husband is going to work, so we talk to our neighbors about clothes and things. So invite them and give them coffee, tea, and talk to about the benefit of our beautiful product, DXN product. And then relative is very important. Everybody have relative, sister, brother, family. Most of are negative, but you can tell them. The cousin which he is talking, he is a negative person still till now. Yesterday he dropped me to the airport, and when he come and drop us to the airport, I gave him a coffee. He is drinking tea a lot, the other outside tea. So I said, okay, 1 minute, I'm gonna making my coffee. So I make black coffee for him, very small, and put some pure honey, which somebody bring it from Oman to us, gave us a gift. So I put 1/2 teaspoon in the coffee, black coffee, and give it to him. So when he drank, he said, what is this, Bhabhi? I said, this is coffee. He said, but this is very tasty coffee and something different in this coffee. So I said, yes, this is DXN coffee. He said, oh really? I said, yes. So he is the negative percent, and I give guarantee to Mr. Ghani. He prospect him a lot, tell him a lot, but he is not listening. So now I promise him that this guy, this is challenge for me now. In his nephew, I said, I'm gonna turn him out to DXN for sure one day. So how I'm gonna give him a product to drink and eat. So this is 3 very important. You can start it from here, friend, neighbor, and relative. Don't go here and there or cold market or this market, and just start it from here. You can find so many people in your neighbor, relative, and friends. So the DXN product, this is you, and tell them about DXN product and their benefit, and sponsor them, and then support them fully and help them and make one big group. Business of networking is all about talking, which we are doing all the day. Ladies are doing now, gents also. They are not quiet people. They are also talking, but we are talking a lot. So talk tell story, talk to the people professionally. Don't talk something here or there so they ran away. Just talk basic and professionally. Don't talk too much, very little and very less, and talk to them and tell them about your personal story or your testimonial, or talk to them with the DXN product. So you can do home parties, invite your friends. When I told you, when my husband go to work, the neighbor comes, give us a bell, and she said, oh, how are you, this, that. So call them, and even your neighbor daytime, and tell them, give them a coffee or tea or roselle juice or just do party and use. I'm making coffee cake, very tasty delicious coffee cake, which is I give recipe to lot of countries, and I give one drink which is Starbucks. I don't know you do have Starbucks here or not. So you have Starbucks, so they have frappuccino, a cold frappuccino, which is very expensive in Canada, $5-6 for small glass. So I make my DXN frappuccino. I give name to DXN frappuccino, which is so very very tasty. I went to all over India, Indonesia, here and there. I give this recipe to everybody and give it to them to try, and they people like so much. So which is I'm gonna give it to you. The recipe may take 2 Cocoa-Z sachet, put it in a milk. Take blender and put milk 1 liter, 2 Cocoa-Z sachet, 1 black coffee sachet, put some almond, some little bit honey, and blend or put ice and blend it. Here in Malaysia weather is very hot and warm, so you can drink this and take this one frappuccino, which is very tasty. I made every day full 2 jug and put it in the counter at my home, and my children go to job or go to university, they drink 1 glass and run away, and they are whole day they are very energetic and they have energy and healthy drink. Frappuccino is not good because caffeine, in coffee outside caffeine is 12%. In our DXN coffee we have only 0.6% caffeine in our coffee, which is not even 1%, 6.6%, which whatever our body needs. So you can make those drinks at home and enjoy the benefit of the DXN product and take care of your health and your family health. Women in DXN from different countries. So I went to so many countries. Now I took photo from Malaysia with Malaysia ladies also. In inshallah next presentation I'm gonna put that slide also in here. So this is women in the Gulf. Gulf is very conservative place. The ladies are not very open or go outside, but in DXN they are doing very good in Gulf. So women in Mexico, I saw Mexico, see all ladies. Like in Mexico there was, when we went, myself and Mr. Ghani, there's thousands of people, 2,000 people, 1,500 people comes, and maybe 500 men and 1,000, 2,000 are ladies. So much ladies in our DXN, and they are doing so good in Mexico. They are, Mr. Ghani, they are selling coffee. How much the dollar?
It is close to about $1 million plus, and this is a very very poor country. And imagine they have just opened about 2.5 years back.
Yeah.
And their sale from the coffee is over $1 million.
And there's no product there. There's only 4 or 5 product: massage oil, coffee, Cocoa-Z, tea, and shampoo, toothpaste. That's it. In Mexico there's no food supplement, and they are selling $1 million coffee in Mexico, which is very poor country. So these are, see, the lady is old grandma lady which I show you the picture. She is enjoying DXN because the recipe which I gave it to you, Cocoa-Z frappuccino, DXN frappuccino, they are drinking DXN frappuccino. I made this in Mexico also. So they are, see, they enjoying, the lady laughing, and they are enjoying the drink and doing DXN. There is no age limit. You can do it in any age, or young girl, or maybe middle age, or even old ladies. Everybody can do DXN. No, there is no age limit or no education need to have education. Women in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh there is lots of women. The other side full of women. Women in Pakistan. Pakistan is just opened 3 years before, and Pakistan also the ladies are not they are not going outside or doing job or something. But in DXN, this is just start maybe 1 year. DXN have 1 year. This photo is with me. So there's women in Indonesia. I went to Indonesia last year and so many women are there. We went to small village, drive and go to the village, and most of the crowd was ladies in Indonesia. You know, ladies are very good networker because we have very big network. We have so many friends and talking. So women are very good in MLM business. So women in Ethiopia, this is also another very poor country, and they are doing very good in Ethiopia. DXN is doing very good. Women in Bahrain is a very tough country. Like ladies are not going outside and not allowed to go outside. But still, this is actually we took photo very late. The ladies left, so these 4 are there. So I said, okay, let me take one photo with this, and all with hijab and parda. But they are doing DXN. Very good in Bahrain. So the summary is all this, my presentation is that women are 50%, women population in the world is 50%, and women can make the difference both in health and income circle. Now let's do it through DXN. This is especially my message to ladies to do DXN. And DXN give us a very good opportunity, and you have to use this opportunity. This is a very good opportunity comes to your life, and please don't waste this time and opportunity. Use it and get it health and wealth both from DXN. And thank you very much. To have you have patience to listen to me for
1 hour.
1 hour. Thank you very much.